Hello, everybody. Welcome to this week 4 recap for 8th grade global studies. We'll start with the activities that we did this week. We started focusing on culture and reading an article called The Nasarima People. It was an activity that was done both in class and at home for the respective days, A and B, in distance learning. Attached to that was a formative assessment, Nasarima Processing Google Form. This was linked on the daily agenda that's right in the middle of the Schoology page when you log on. So that is something that will be coming into the gradebook shortly. Also, we did a nationalism tech set that was assigned both in class and at home. So that was something that will go in the gradebook as a work check. Remember, work checks are not directly affecting the grade. However, I do keep track of them. They are given a 0 to 3 mark based on completion. So 0 did not do it, 1 did a little bit, 2 did most of it, 3 did all of it. So that will be reflected in the gradebook. We then took some economic systems Cornell notes. It was during this day and this day here that I walked around to students and talked about missing assignments that they may be missing at this point. And then the government types of notes activity was at the end of the week. So both of these activities were forms of notes that could be used to study for our summative, which is Friday. So our first summative will be Friday's Unit 1 test. It'll be 20 questions. It'll be in Schoology. You'll have a time limit to take the test too. It's 30 minutes. So I recommend to students that don't start the quiz until you feel like you're ready to tackle it. In our Schoology, there is the review activity that we have, the passport activity, and there are suggestions in there on what to study of things that we have done in the weeks leading up to this to prepare for the test. So start the test when you feel like you're ready for it. I am going to leave the test open and available to take through Saturday night. Okay, so if you need all of Friday to finish up some things from our unit and to make yourself feel comfortable taking the test, you have until Saturday night. That's when the test will close. Other than that, we had a good week. We did some different activities in the classes. Students participated well. They had great attitudes and good efforts. Also, just make sure before you shut your brain off for the weekend, go to our daily agenda on our Schoology if you haven't done so already and watch the video that's on there, because there's some new important updates that you need to know about with the way that we're going to do class and the way the Schoology page is going to be set up and changed. As the year goes on, I'm learning different ways of how to handle the hybrid at home situation. And so there's a few things coming up that we need to know that I think will make things a lot smoother. So thank you for tuning in and look forward to another good week next week.